Good afternoon. Today is December 8, 2023 Friday, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3's 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 8, 2023 Friday. Here are the SL Square 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for December 8, 2023 Friday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of December 8, 2023 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.